The Doris Waltz, lovely old time dance, dates back to the turn of the last century, and we're going to start the dance facing a long line of dance, the gentleman slightly behind the lady, and the hold is a high shadow hold. This is where both hands are joined slightly above shoulder level. Now the first 7 bars of the dance, both man and lady will dance using the same foot, that is starting on the left foot. Now our alignment, whilst we're facing line of dance, we will step diagonally to centre on the first step. So we just show you, it's forward 2, 3, back 2, 3, and a chassé, and turn. Again against line of dance, back 2, 3, forward 2, 3. Now this is where we change. We drop our left hands down. The man will step to the right on his right foot and close his left foot to a third position rear because she's going to go back on that. The lady will do an anti-clockwise turn and she will place her left foot to her right foot in a third position rear because she's going to go back on her left foot. Just show you those first 8 bars again. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and turn. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and around the lady, closing to a third position. Now carrying on from there, we're going to maintain our hold. We're going to step away and towards our partner twice. It's away and towards, away and towards. And to complete the dance, we take up waltz hold and we complete the sequence with 4 bars of waltzing, opening out at the end to start a new sequence. Just show you those whole 16 bars again together. We're starting in a high shadow hold, third position front, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, a chassé and a turn. Same again, diagonally against line of dance, and turn the lady away from your partner, towards your partner, away to your partner, take up waltz hold, and complete the sequence with 4 bars of waltzing, opening out at the end to start a new sequence.